Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So I made this easy fruit cake under just 5 minutes, and I want to share the recipe with you, family. So you know what, let's go. So I have my dried fruits here and raisins, so I am gonna soak them. And then these are also nuts. So I'm going to soak them using my series grape juice. Okay, you can use any juice of your choice. And please note, I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box. Okay, so please check it out. Okay, so we stir this and then we allow it to sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. In a bowl, I add my melted butter, sugar, and all my other ingredients at a go. Like I said, this is a cake made under 5 minutes, the quickest and the easiest you can make. So I add my vanilla extracts, my flour, that's all my dried ingredients, baking soda, baking powder, grated nutmeg, and salt to taste. So we use our spatula to stir till it's well incorporated. Then I use my cake mixer to just give it a short whisk for more fluffier cake. So you see, our cake batter is ready. So now we add our mixed fruits or soaked fruits to it. Guys, this is the simplest fruit cake method or recipe ever, and the outcome is glorious. So we are done with our cake batter, so we transfer into our cake pan whilst I have preheated my oven to 170 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna bake this for about 25, 30, or at most 35 minutes. Okay. And voila! Just look at that. Looks glorious, simple to make, and tastes amazingly great. It's also healthy, and anyone who ate it was asking for more. Just look at that. Just look at that. Your simple fruit cake is ready, guys. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come as the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Waakye Christmas birthday na fluffy fruit cake account. Okay, yes, there is no Christmas without cake. So family, try this and you'll be glad you did. Thank you guys, and see ya in our next video. Bye family.